Hi everyone, today we're doing a look using the Jokester kit. This has absolutely everything you need for this look. First, I'm just going to pop on an old wig and then using the white shade from the 3-pan palette, applying that all over the face with a sponge. I want this to look very worn in, so I'm doing a thin layer to let my skin show through. Then I'm using the Colorset Powder and the powder puff to set my face and under eyes. Now for the fun part, using the detailed brush and the red shade from the 3-pan palette to do the signature lip look, extending the corners of my mouth up and out. I'm using stippling motions also to create rough edges so that the lips aren't so refined. And smudging on some details to add some interest. Now for some dimension, I'm dipping the same brush into the black cream paint and applying a little to the center of all the red on and around my lips. Then after wiping off the brush, dipping back into the black cream paint to begin the graphic eye look. I'm winging out my eyeliner past my eyebrows for some drama, and also bringing my inner corner all the way down my nose. Then repeating those steps on the other eye. Note that I'm not setting the cream paint here, just to add to the worn-in vibe of this look. Then I'm applying the black cream paint on my under eyes and using the sponge tip applicator to smudge it out, creating a distressed look. I'm smudging it on my brow area as well for a subtle grungy clown detail. Now using the green liquid makeup to paint my hair the signature green color, coming the color through. This is the before and after. This green hair really ties the look together. And this is the finished look. I love how this came out. Thanks for watching. Bye!